Is your ride burning oil like a race car but without the checkered flag finish? We're taking a closer look at Bars Leak's Oil Seal Engine Oil Burning and Leak Repair, a game changer for keeping your engine healthy and your wallet happy. Let's face it, leaks in oil consumption are a pain, they're messy, expensive, and can lead to serious engine damage down the road. But Bars Leaks is here to stop the leaks and keep your engine purring like a champion. This isn't your grandpa's leak fix. Bars Leaks formula is designed to tackle leaks in all sorts of engines, including the gasoline and diesel. From everyday sedans to workhorse trucks, Bars Leaks has you covered. Turbocharged, EcoBoost, hybrid, and racing, feeling the need for speed. Bars Leaks can keep up with your high-performance engine. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 cylinder engines. No matter the size of your engine, Bars Leaks has the solution. But Bars Leaks doesn't just stop leaks, it also renews worn valve seals and guides. Give your engine a new lease on life by revitalizing those tired seals. Stops oil burning and blue exhaust smoke. Say goodbye to embarrassing smoke signals and hello to cleaner emissions. Here's the best part. Bars Leaks is easy to use and compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs to keep your everyday drivers in top shape. Heavy-duty applications. From tractors to boats, Bars Leaks tackles leaks in even the toughest machines. Refer to instructions for proper dosage. Motorcycles, including wet clutch, to hit the road with confidence, knowing your bike is leak-free. ATVs and lawn equipment to keep your outdoor toys running smoothly and mess-free. And guess what? Bars Leaks is proudly made in the USA. Don't let leaks and oil burning drain your wallet and your engine's health. Get Bars Leaks Oil Burning and Leak Repair today. It's the easy and effective way to keep your engine running strong for miles to come. Check the description below for the link if you are interested. Thanks for joining us. Remember to like and subscribe for more car care tips and tricks.